come from Shiv Sena, the Uddhav faction MP Sanjay Raut, who said that parties that broke away from the Congress should merge back with it if the opposition is serious about taking on the BJP. Taking a jibe at Mamata Banerjee, Sanjay Raut has claimed that she had earlier opposed such an idea but is now engaging with the Congress leadership amid political challenges that her party is facing right now. Listen in.
कहा कि आज सभी को कांग्रेस पार्टी की मदद चाहिए लड़ाई लड़ने के लिए अपने अपने राज्य में। मैंने देखा कि ममता बनर्जी कल तक कांग्रेस का नाम लेने से बहुत कतराती थी, गुस्सा आता था, लेकिन जब संकट में आ गई, जब उनके ऊपर हमले शुरू हो गए, उनको हराया गया, तब सबसे पहले उनको कांग्रेस की याद आ गई। सभी ने कांग्रेस में आकर कांग्रेस के झंडे के नीचे अपनी नई शुरुआत करनी चाहिए और कांग्रेस को मजबूत करना चाहिए।
So you heard the reaction that has come from Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray faction MP Sanjay Raut, and according to him, anti-BJP forces should come together, and he's saying that parties that emerged from the Congress party only, they should return to the Congress party. There should be a ghar wapsi of all the parties that actually came from the Congress party, for example, the TMC. And he's also simultaneously taken a jibe at Mamata Banerjee. And he has said now that Mamata Banerjee has reached out to Sonia Gandhi. And in fact, he has said that earlier she opposed such an idea, but now she's engaging with the Congress leadership amid the political challenges that her party is facing right now. So this is the first reaction that we've got from Sanjay Raut, and interesting comments coming in because attempts clearly are being made to bring the entire INDI bloc together to get unity in the opposition's bloc to fight the Bharatiya Janata Party, and this is an important statement that has been made by Sanjay Raut. Let's go across to Rucha joining us live right now for more on this. Rucha, an interesting statement there coming in from Sanjay Raut as well on what's really happening with Mamata Banerjee and her meetings with Sonia Gandhi here in Delhi.
Well, Sanjay Raut suggested that initially Mamata Banerjee was herself not happy with the kind of idea that India bloc had planned, but later on she became part of it, and he also suggested how coming together all the parties who are anti-BJP, they were benefited in the Lok Sabha elections, but later on we saw that there was not clear unity seen across India, and some regional parties recently also exited from the alliance. In fact, when on 8th of June the meeting was called, not all parties had joined the meeting, were not physically present there. In fact, Shiv Sena, Sanjay Raut's own party, Shiv Sena UBT, was also not present there. But now he's suggesting that it is time that we reunite again, and if we want to take down the BJP, the anti-BJP forces must come together, and that is going to resolve the issues that they are planning for. But today also we saw a statement coming from Prithviraj Chavan, who also suggested on similar line. He gave a suggestion to his own party that why the India alliance was formed it was formed because Congress was not strong enough to fight the BJP, and that is why all the opposition parties came together. But now the unity is lacking, and that is why Sanjay Raut is also calling for reunion once again.
Thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on